Dad's steering with the help of Brittany and Monique. We've got our life jackets on. Assumption. That's right, it's the Assumption today. We're on Lake Disney in Disneyland Paris. Coming up to our hotel. Hotel Newport Bay.
Other way. Yeah.
It's a very nice hotel.
Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yellow bird's coming.
Brittany's steering at the moment. Money, turn around and say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Lollies.
Lollies.
No, don't touch that. Don't touch it. Don't touch that, otherwise we're going to be stuck. And we'll be stuck out here all night. That turns the motor off. Don't touch it. Sit down. Not even allowed to touch it when we get back. It turns the motor off and then we're stuck. Right. Right.
This is the crew over here.
Because she keeps steering it to her right, and then go in the middle somewhere. Go in the middle, not the whole way. Just left, 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 left.
Oh, we have a window. We have a thing.
Right. Oh, Brittany, you drive like a drunk.
Dad's encouraging words of wisdom.
Straighten it up, Brittany. Straighten it up.